Welcome to Tech Tips, where you can learn a thing or two about technology. Hello viewers, today on Tool Tips, we'll be learning how to transfer a file that is greater than 25 megabytes via email. So the two websites we will be using today are WeTransfer.com and any email account that you have. For example, yahoo.com or Hotmail, Gmail, any one of the websites you want to use. Let's get into things. So the first thing we do is head to the URL section of our browser and type in WeTransfer.com. Then we press the enter key. So when the home page for WeTransfer is loaded, you will now see email to, your email, and message. So email to would be the person's email you're sending it to. Your email speaks for itself. Now in the top section that you see email to, I will type in the email that I will be sending the file to. So in this case, the email would be my email, which is Kirtland_Tomlinson@yahoo.com. So I will use it for both the sender and the receiver. As you can see, it is already in the section of the sender. So at this point, where you see the add your files at the top, you'll see this circle with blue and you see a plus sign in it. So you click that to add a single file. So sometimes you may have more than one files to send. Once you have those files in a folder, you can just go to the option that you see or select a folder. So once you select the folder, everything that is within that folder is sent. So it will eliminate you having to zip the file or compress it. A window will then open for you to select the file or folder. After selecting same, you will then hit the open or double click on what you want. In this case, I selected NetBeans. After I had selected the file, you would realize that you see an option saying add more files, one file added, and you'll see 1.8 gigabyte remaining. That's because it's only 200 megabytes of the space of the given 2 gigabyte that is used up. So you have the option of selecting a file size of up to 2 gigabyte, and this is free. We will then proceed by clicking the transfer button, after which we will see a screen to verify your email. At this point, a verification code was sent to the sender's email address, which would be your email address. So I opened my email address and I saw the verification code. By the way, you had the option to just copy it and paste it in, which would reduce time. But for the demonstration purpose, I typed it. After entering the code, you will see the button verify becomes active. You can then click on it just to complete the transfer. As you can see, the transfer is taking place. At this point, you will have a little wait depending on how fast your internet is. So the speed of your internet will determine how quickly the file is transferred. As you can see on the screen, it's saying you're done. So at that point, you know that the transfer is completed. If you look further right, you see your transfer details. So you see one file, 197 MB. It says expires in 1 week. So it simply means that you only get 7 days. So you'd have this stored in your email for 7 days. If you don't download it by then, it will expire and the person would have to send it again. But what you guys can do, you can always purchase, or create an account and make payments for you to get the full service, in which more storage space will be allocated to you. Or if you want to skip the verification process, you can create a free account. But that this way that I do it, it's totally free, guys. It's totally free. So you can take advantage of this to get 2 gigabyte to transfer over the internet. It is really good to have this option. Gone are the days when we all depend on thumb drives, or we need an external drive to transfer some large files. Now we can stay at home and send large files, even movies, to other persons. Hey guys, now that we have completed the transfer, I can go into my email, check my inbox to see the WeTransfer file that was sent to me. So you will see WeTransfer, you then click on it. Then when the page is loaded, you will see get your files, that blue button that says get your files. Once you click that, a new window will open and you will see 2 buttons, one at the top and one at the lower section. You can click the top button and download it. You now see below, you'll see the progress of the download. Now that the download is completed, you'll click on the arrow that's next to the file that was downloaded. You'll see show in folder. You click on that. It will bring you to the file explorer where your file is stored. That's the download folder. So you can access the file via there. I hope you found this interesting. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching Tech Tips. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to It's Your Girl Shorty. Thank you.